Hi guys, I have spent probably 3 million USD dollars and euros on Meta ads, and today I'm gonna share some insights for you about how you can run Meta ads for a construction or a renovation company step by step. By tutorial, I will give you the system. So the thing is that most of the construction companies run Meta ads and they are getting the leads, but most renovation companies fail because it's not the bad targeting or creative. The failure happens after the lead comes in. So there's a delayed response times, calls return hours or days later, or not at all. And there's manual follow-up chaos, owners manually texting leads without qualifications, no qualification process. Every lead gets the same treatment, wasted time, and on profits. There's the 60 seconds rule. If you don't contact leads within 60 seconds, someone else does. And you need to build in your business a complete system where traffic alone doesn't book jobs, but system could do from ad to book estimate. So in your shoes, I would not only launch Meta ad, but also I would create a landing page via sell website where you can also capture the leads, and you would create a lead form or instant form on Meta ad or lead form on your website. And then you can build out an automation where AI calls all of those leads in 60 seconds and qualify for you and also book an appointment and book an estimate. So money isn't only in the ad, it's made in the system that processes the lead. So the meta ad setup should be very simple. We will go through all of this step by step. I will show you from the system, and you basically should pick the lead conversion or website conversion. Just choose advantage plus targeting and some homeowner, for example, interests. And it's highly recommended to create as much creatives as you can, user generated before and after transformation, like talking head testimonials, and create 10 or 50 of them and launch them in your location. So let's go to the Facebook ad system and I will show you how to create those ads. So you see, I will zoom in. You simply press create new campaign, go and select lead objective because you need to get leads. Then you name your campaign, construction test company lead capture, for example, data. And you select auction and leads. So for example, you want to test three angles of UGC and three angles of testimonials. So you split them, three ads in testimonials and three ads of UGC in other. So in this case, uh, you would select ad set budget optimization, and you name it UGC AI ads. Then you need to select instant forms, or if you want to go even better way, but I highly recommend testing both, like to have two separate campaigns for instant form and other one for website conversion. So basically install the pixel into the website and create a schedule appointment conversion or like a call conversion. You select maximize number of leads, or yes, so this one is better. Then you go with the, I would say, at least 30 daily budget, or if you have three different angles, 9 different ads, and then you allocate at least $10 per each ad set. So I would leave 30 now. It's the minimum recommended budget. You select the date, or you can leave it always on. And it's really important to have Advantage Plus on audience, so AI can show to the best quality people and find audience for yourself, for you. Like, you don't need to even select any of the people here, or create custom audiences. You just use Advantage Plus, select your location, for example, New York, and then so for example, you can target from 24 and people who wants home improvement or home construction. Boom. And you home repair, renovation. Yeah, you give some interest for AI, and it will give a little bit more help to him to find the best quality people for you. You'll leave the Advantage Plus also for placements. Then you can create the ad. So how would you build the ad itself? You can go to ChatGPT, create high converting ad brief for home remodeling company prompt. Here's the prompt, and our team, for example, we leverage one tool which can build ads in seconds, in minutes. We can create like ads for a company, 10 ads for example, 1 hour. Boom, video producing, and it gives videos like this. And for example, this is the image generated before and after. And yeah, you basically create these kind of ads. How we usually set up is we create the sheet with different angles, where we test the different hooks, and we document it and gather data. So you go and create the form. In the form, test form, you just the most important thing in the form is, for higher intent, is you also there's a new feature that came out this year, is verify phone numbers. Turn this off, turn this on, then go to intro, home renovate home renovation for your house, leave your contacts so our team can call you. Boom. You gather email, phone number, and you add questions. For example, what renovation do you need? A whole house, kitchen, bath, floor. So you give them choices, and you can leave it as multiple choices. And you basically create 2 or 3 questions at least, so you get better quality leads in your pocket. What budget for renovation you have? 10K, 20K. And you can even use conditional logic. So if a lead respond 10K for the renovation, close the form. It's not much. We want to have better quality projects, higher projects, and yeah, it will be a little bit more friction, but we can use that if we want a higher project than 10K USD. And that's it. You create the form, and there's the privacy policy which you put from your website, and that's all. You create the form, you launch, you connect it to your ad. Then we go to the setup creative, and we select the ad, for example, before and after that you have. Okay, so now we go to ChatGPT. Now create a primary text, and it will give a primary text. You can leave it as it is, and boom, you have an ad ready to get you the leads. If you have a pixel installed, you also select it. Boom, you launch your ad. That's it. Simple steps. Uh, let's get back to the presentation. So the thing is that speed wins here. If you call those leads in a minute or at least in 5 minutes, there is no waiting. And the thing is, if you install AI in this process, there's an auto qualification, real-time booking. So you can connect your calendar to the AI, the CRM, and it will book you directly to your calendar. So where most agencies stop and where we start. If the lead captures in from meta ad form, AI calls it immediately. Then he sends also SMS follow-up. We have automations for SMSs. We have automations for nurturing emails, so the lead can get emails for with your projects, your examples, your testimonials, um, just to warm up the lead. And he gets also reminder sequences before the meeting with you, so he gets booked or disqualified. And imagine if you're a renovation company owner or a construction contractor. It's a Saturday, it's 9 p.m. You have a family time, your phone isn't silent, but the system is working for you. You get the lead, CRM ingested, and AI calls it immediately and qualifies, book an appointment for you. The result, you wake up at Sunday morning to a booked estimate for Monday. And could this system is not for companies with no ad budget or unwilling to invest in systems, businesses with no capacity to take on new jobs, those looking for cheap leads only without conversion focus. The system is designed for US renovation companies ready to scale predictably, businesses that value system over quick hacks, and companies wanting book jobs, not just lead well. Also, owners tired of chasing cold leads manually. In the results, you could get book jobs faster, predictable income, predictable lead flow, plus instant follow-up equals book jobs. You would get higher conversion rates, speeds, and qualification turn more leads into estimates, no missed opportunities. AI can work for you like 24/7, even on weekends or on holidays. owner timer freed up, focus on running jobs, not chasing leads, and also predictable pipeline. So if you're ready to turn meta ads into book jobs, if you want a system that actually converts leads into revenue, this is exactly what we have built. No pitch, just results. Uh, you can just book an appointment. Below, you will find the link and just talk to our team. We'll audit your business from the best perspective. You can also check this website, kunas.ai, AI/voice. I will leave this link in the description. You can fill out the form, and AI will call you immediately, and you can have a test, a demo of how it should sound like. So if you got value from this video, please subscribe our channel, and you will get more of this. Thank you. Bye.